Mayong aga sa tanan. Good morning, everyone. I am Miss Bea Bachinella from the University of St. Lasal, Agribusiness Department. So, ari ko subong nga adlaw para mag-share sa inyo about youth, kamo, and food security. So, ang inyong theme today is transforming food systems. So, thank you for that wonderful introduction from the MC. So, magsugod na kita. So ano ang ginatawag na food security? Okay? Before kita magkadto sa food system, anong kailanlan ta i-transform? Ano ang food security? So when we say food security, number one is may enough na food for all. Meaning, tanan kita makakaon. Ikaw, ako, tanan kita. Lola, nanay, tatay, utod tatanan ng aton community, ang Bacolod, or ang aton nga nasyon. So, ang pamangkot, sapat bala or enough bala ang food for all of us. Okay? So, isa na siya ka-meaning. Another meaning is safe food. Ang aton bala ginakaon, safe na siya. Kay kilanlanon gid na safe ang aton yung food. Okay? Next is sustainable. May kuhaan tani nga resources. Damo na di bala ayhan amo ni nga tanom or amo ni nga meat diri sa Bacolod or diri sa Philippines. No? So amo ni siya nga tawag tang food security, not only nga safety, pero inang tuloy-tuloy na. No? So when we say Bacolod, we always say inasal. So that's our mantra, our trait, no? Amo na nang aton nga landmark. So dapat ma-sustain ta na native chicken or broiler nga chicken amang ginahimo ta nga inasal. And of course, accessible. No? Easy ta di bala siya or dasig ta lang bala siya makita diri ang mga food. No? So that is food security. Kung kita every day, 3 times a day, we can eat. So we are food sufficient. Tsakto ang food na ara sa aton panimalay. Pero the sad thing is, hindi tanan makakaon 3 times a day. So that's why I entitled my discussion nga youth and food security. That is the way of transforming the food system. Okay? So anong ginatawag nga food system and ano ang ginatawag taman da also nga traditional, that's why nga kinahanglan ta siya i-transform. Okay? 'Di ba mga baka transform? Siyempre 'di ba sa mga cartoon, sa anime, it's transforming, no? Mga heroes yung transform. Ini man, ikaw, paano ka mag-transform to become a better student leader, become a better no SK chairman, SK ang inyong nga federation, paano maging mayo, or paano ka maging community leader, no? So saludo gid ako sa inyo tanan nga mga lideres ng inyong nga barangay. I was once also like you nga naga help sa community. I still do. But we are in the middle na, no? So kami, no, ang among journey nagasugod, kamo manugsugod pa lang. Okay? So that is why food security, the future is the youth. So kamo na. Okay? So anong ginatawag ta nga systems? So the food systems composed of growing and harvesting. So hindi taman guro manigar kung ano ka-importante ang aton agrikultura. So agriculture, I am an agri practitioner. Okay? So ang pagpatubo sang tanom, pag-harvest na, that's part of the food system. Okay, ano pa gyud? Processing and packaging. So pagtapos na, gin-harvest mo, himuon mo siya amo ning iban raw, ginahatag lang, ginapakaon, ini naman i-process sa siya anay and package. And of course, gina-market ta na siya, distribution and promotion. And lastly, of course, that is for our consumption, meaning ang konsumo. So amo na siya gani ang pamangkot. Do we have enough food to put in our table? Do we have enough farmers to do no that bidding of producing food? If kulang na ang farmers, the farmers age, average age is 57. So if kulang na ang farmers and wala na, hindi na kamo magsunod sa amon or hindi kamo kabalo magtanom. So there might be shortage sa aton nga food. So that's why it's very important to transform not just ang food system kung ano ang ginaobra, but ang aton mentality. We have to change our mentality and see to it nga magaan ta importansya or appreciation and recognition ang role sang food sa aton, especially if we will become a part of it, that we will be producing, farming, or planting these foods, or in the case of the animals, nga kita maalaga. So, paano ka mo makabulig as a youth, no? As a teenager, as a young adult, and of course, as na nga mag-mature na kamo pareho sa amon and more. Okay? So ang roles ng youth, number one, is to engage in farming. And not just ordinary farming, but farming with care, or TLC, tender loving care. So magbutang kita farming usually is anaga natural na kasabong because we want to take care also of the environment. So transforming food system nga traditional, instant, gusto na ng instant. But we don't know nga ang natural nga farming and natural nga way of planting, it takes time. And with your generation, actually millennial pa man ako, with our generation, though mas namian ta nga instant, but we have to go back to the basics. Dapat i-embrace ta ang pagtanong. Dapat i-embrace ta gid nga natural ang iya pagtubo. Because that is also one way that we can eat right and don't, and of course, we will be healthy. So, let's also not waste food. Kaya syempre, namian ta magkaon. So, ang role ta actually is very simple. No? Eat the right way, have a healthy lifestyle. Pero kabudlay siya himuon kung kisa because of our environment na subong, which is an instant na environment. So, isagid ka, pa-transform ta sa food system, is kita mismo ma-engage in farming. So, I have an example after this slide. Okay? Next is, of course, to support our farmers and buy local. We have very good farmers here in Bacolod and in Negros, in Visayas, and of course in the Philippines. Let's support our farmers. Hindi gid man tatanan makatanom minami-inami or damo-damo. Usually, the backyard farming kita for our consumption. Pero we have to appreciate, honor, and respect our farmers nga nagaproduce for the majority of the population sa Philippines. We have to. Okay? So, no agree, no food, no life. So, every time magkaon ka burger, every time mag-inom ka soft drinks, every time mag-inom ka beer, without the farmers, hindi na tanan mahimo, hindi na tanan mahimo. So, each and every time you eat, always thank a farmer. Next is, of course, engage in policy making and youth engagements on food security. So, again, thank you so much kay Loryne, no, your SK chairman, for inviting me. So our Green Ranchers Club and ang Barangay 5 has been a partner, and we will continue to be a partner of your SK Council, and of course to support the youth because that's also our aim. So magambay kita engage in policy making. Gusto ta nga kamo mismo, i-engage kamo sa aton mga local leader, sa aton LGU. And by being an SK chairman and being in the SK council and being in the community of Barangay 5, nag-help kita kung paano kita hindi magutman, no? Especially at this time na may pandemic. So, na-notice nyo when nag-lockdown kita, anong ginpangita ta? Is it money really? Is it bags, shoes, and others? No. It's food. So if mayara kita sa aton panimalay food, gina-transform tanan ang food system, na we don't have to go out, no, because we have our own, no, pharmacy, kay tiara da ang mga nutrients, at the same time, we have our own backyard garden. So ano ang isa sa pinakasimple na gusto ko itudlo sa inyo? Because I know we have limited time. The vertical gardening. This, you can use recycled containers here and no wasted space. So nakatudlo na kami ni step by step sa inyo barangay council together with the youth, no? And we will continue that. I think we will be back by December. So makita nyo da mga 1.5 and other containers, and then ara lang da yung si lettuce or si petchay. So ang ginatawag da si mo is an urban farmer, producer, or plantita ka, or plantito. So very important kid, nag-engage kita mismo sa aton panimalay. It's not just nga sa dako nga scale, pero once nga makaano ka man sa gamay nga scale sa imo panimalay, you are securing your family, no, nga hindi siya magutman. Okay? So, the future of food security rests on you too. Wala ko nagambal nga sa inyo lang, pero dako in your role. But ara pa man kami, no, ara pa nga ton mga lokal nga lideres sa Bacolod and of course, no, sa Negros to help you. And I hope that you will engage in farming because it's very important. This urban gardening and farming is one way to transform our food system. Mismo kita, kabalo kung diin kita magwa sa aton ng food. Okay? So thank you for your time and message me with any questions or concerns, just like our Facebook page, USLS Green Ranchers Club, Agribusiness. Thank you, nga madamo, and God bless you. Bye!